A no sound problem generally indicates that you have a driver issue. So what I would recommend that you do is go to your manufacturer's website, Dell or HP or whoever, and download the most up-to-date driver from their website for your particular model. Models are generally on the front of the machine. This goes for the same for laptop or desktop. And then if you have a specific newer sound card that you put in yourself, go to that particular manufacturer's website and download the driver there. And then that should fix your problem. If it doesn't, then do something that's sometimes so painfully obvious that it doesn't really click with you. Check the actual connections on the machine. Also, a good test is to take an iPod or CD player or anything with a headphone jack and plug it into the green connector that's on your speakers to make sure your speakers are working correctly as well. Sound card problems generally originate from malware being on your machine. Some malware will attack the sound driver itself and delete it from the system, and you have to manually re-add it. So one good deterrent to keeping this from happening is to get up-to-date antivirus and malware protection like Spybot or Adaware, and also make sure those programs are up to date.